battery storage or charging room can be considered a hazardous location due to the potential release of hydrogen gas during charging. This gas is flammable and explosive. The National Electrical Code classifies battery storage or charging rooms as Class 1, Division 2, Group B hazardous locations. In hazardous locations, all electrical installations must meet specific requirements to minimize the risk of explosions or fires. These requirements extend to lighting. Lighting fixtures must be explosion-proof or approved for use in the specific hazardous location classification. Plugs and receptacle connections must be designed to prevent sparking and must be rated for use in hazardous locations. An exhaust fan is required to ventilate the room and remove hydrogen gas. The fan must be rated for use in Class 1, Division 2, Group B hazardous locations. Installing an exhaust fan that is rated for hazardous locations will significantly reduce the risk of explosion or fire by removing hydrogen gas from the room. However, it is important to note firstly, the exhaust fan must be properly sized and installed to ensure adequate ventilation. Secondly, the exhaust fan must be maintained regularly to ensure it is functioning properly. And thirdly, other potential ignition sources such as sparks or flames must be eliminated from the room. A battery storage or charging room is a hazardous location due to the presence of hydrogen gas. All electrical installations in this location must meet the requirements for hazardous locations to minimize the risk of explosions or fires. Installing an exhaust fan rated for hazardous locations is an important safety measure to remove hydrogen gas, but it must be part of a comprehensive safety plan that addresses all potential ignition sources.